Why does WordPress maintenance matter, you might wonder? Well, think of your WordPress site as a high-performance vehicle. Without regular tune-ups, it might still run, but not nearly as smoothly or efficiently as it could. And we all want our sites to be the Ferraris of the digital highway, right? Enter Edison Avenue Consulting, your pit crew in the fast-paced race of the web world. Since 2009, this dedicated team has been living and breathing WordPress, gaining a deep understanding of its ecosystem and how to keep it purring like a well-oiled machine. Edison Avenue Consulting offers a comprehensive suite of WordPress website maintenance services. Their offerings cover the gamut from plugin and theme upgrades to content entry, ensuring your site remains updated, optimized, and in perfect running condition. What sets them apart? Unlike other services that rely on automation, Edison Avenue Consulting's maintenance work is performed by real humans. This personal touch ensures that your site isn't just mechanically updated, but cared for with the attention to detail that only a human touch can provide. But it's not just about keeping your site running smoothly. Security is a paramount concern in today's digital landscape, and Edison Avenue Consulting understands this. As part of their maintenance service, they enhance the security of your WordPress-powered website, shielding it against potential hacking attempts. So, if you want your WordPress site to run like a dream and be as secure as a fortress, there's only one choice. Trust the experts at Edison Avenue Consulting. Their experience, expertise, and commitment to personal service make them the best pit crew you could ask for. Don't let your WordPress site be a clunky old jalopy on the digital highway. Give it the maintenance it deserves with Edison Avenue Consulting. Your site will thank you, and so will your peace of mind. Remember, a smoothly running secure WordPress site is just a call away with Edison Avenue Consulting.